This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Kathy Sherman. Tee to green view on 11th hole of beautiful Granada golf course. All brick exterior, 6 inches exterior walls with R19 insulation. Elegant yet comfortable with large rooms, great floor plan and ADA accessible main level. Master suite and guest suite on main level, 3rd bedroom, bath, game room and office in lower level. 2-car garage plus golf cart garage. Exceptional workshop area in lower level offers so many options. More custom features await you in this custom home, too many to list here. Agent remarks. For more information, review the details below or contact Kathy Sherman at 501-922-8277.